So I've been editing all morning as I usually do, and Final Cut, I need sunglasses and a hoodie because it's nearly winter, and Final Cut has a new feature, specifically a voice isolation feature that they've integrated into Final Cut. I'm pretty excited about this, I won't lie, because one thing I struggle with, I film in cars a lot and there's always noise. This is the Mahindra that sings at you, which is like a bit weird. So as I was saying, I do a lot of filming in the car, and the sunglasses are here somewhere. So it's like cold inside and it's like boiling hot in the car here. Holy cow. And the reason I do a lot of filming in the car is because like I drive a lot, and that's kind of what I do, is I make car videos. Now you can probably hear in the background there's a whole bunch of aircon noise going on. I've got the camera mounted over there, and so like that's kind of the setup. I don't always have a lapel mic with me. Got one. Be surprised at how few times I actually use it. So I'm going to turn this down. Oh, why is it beeping it? Okay, I'm going to make a whole review of this Mahindra, but it's special and it's annoying and it's okay, so let's get the aircon under control. So what the issue is exactly with that aircon is, like, often you drive in a car, you're busy filming, but there's a lot of sort of noises going on. You have road noise. Some really fancy Audis have good road noise installation, and so the audio is clean. Other cars like this one and sort of cheaper cars, not so much. There's a lot of kind of noise that you pick up in the background. And having clean audio for your YouTube video is pretty important. So I've got a bunch of plugins that I've built sort of over the years, just trying to isolate noise, isolate audio, clean it up a lot. I've spent a bit of money buying some plugins, buying some tools, and all of them have been hit and miss at the best of times. So I'm pretty excited about this kind of feature. I used it on one of my videos this morning. It was the e-Golf. So like that's quite a quiet car to begin with. So it's kind of hard to tell how effective it actually is on that video. But I'm going to be using it on this video. So obviously I've just got my phone mounted on the dash. This is quite a noisy car. I can hear the engine like a lot. So it'll be interesting to see how much sort of noise isolation is built into the iPhone, because I know there is some of that going on too. And then if you have a voice isolation plugin or feature in Final Cut, how much crisper the audio actually is. So I'm excited about that. Like, these are the kind of tools, like if you're a creator, if you're trying to create content on a regular basis, like the more useful tools you get, the better. Like if there's a tick box, you can just tick and go like isolate the voice, and it saves you 20 minutes of trying to clean up the audio. Or what I know a lot of guys do is actually export it out of Final Cut, and then they pull it into some other kind of program. I even know some people export the video, import the video or the audio into Audacity, clean it up in Audacity, then bring the audio track back into Final. Like that's an hour's work, 2 hours work, just trying to clean up audio. So like, I get excited when things make life easier.